this is Wenzes. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you our new Madrid apartment. I've been here for only 2 days, but I'll be staying here for the next 10 months with my boyfriend. So I'm really excited about the entire time, and I'll show you a lot, not only about the apartment, but also about what I do here in the city in the next weeks. But for now, let's check out the apartment because I'm in love with it. Come with me. So we start at the front area. Now we get to the living room. So there are like 2 spaces here. This is the first one. You have a really nice couch here. So this is perfect to just chill. We have the TV right here. And then there's another living room area over there. I still don't know where I'm gonna do the future videos when I really talk and teach, but I'm sure I'll find something. What I like most about this is that there's so much space and it's so light. This is something I always wanted. I found this apartment a couple of months ago, even before we came apartment hunting, and I directly fell in love with it and wanted to have it, and now we got lucky and we got the apartment. There is a working area over here. And then we get to the master bedroom, which I like so much because, again, it's light, it's big, and it's just comfortable. So this is a king-size bed. Specifically here in Europe, we don't have that many king-size beds, so I really like this. Then we have a TV here. You know I'm all about no electronics in the bedroom, so I just make sure not to watch anything for the last 30 minutes before going to bed. And then I can wind down and have a really relaxing night. The windows really darken all the way, so this is also something I'm not used to, and I love it. I sleep like a baby, so it's amazing. Then we have like a huge closet area over here. There's so many closets here. It's definitely enough. It's actually 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So this is the first one. It has the rainforest shower, which I love. We actually have a his and her side over here, but since we don't have any guests yet, we're using both bathrooms, and I'm taking this space and my boyfriend is taking the other space. I'll show you that one later. So now let's go check out the kitchen. Hopefully I don't fall. But this is it. It's a long kitchen, and there are new electronics in here. So there's a new dishwasher, a new side-by-side fridge. Over here, I haven't organized it yet, of course, because, you know, I arrived yesterday. No, day before yesterday, but yesterday we went shopping. The freezer is still empty. I think we have some ice cream somewhere, but that's it. But we'll change that and I'll make it all nice. Then we have, as I said, the nice dishwasher over here. We have a gas stove, which I'm really excited about. I've never had a gas stove, or for the longest time I haven't had one, and it's really fast and really efficient. Then we have, of course, the oven, the microwave. Over here we have a juicer and a smoothie maker that I'll be using definitely. Of course, the espresso machine, because I love espresso. Then we get to the linen closet. I never had a linen closet up till now, so that is really exciting as well. And then wash dryer over here. And yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen. And now let me show you some things we got in the welcome package. So here's a big and fancy extra virgin olive oil. I'll definitely be using that one. And this one I'm also really excited about. And I was so surprised we got that. We got Cartier champagne, like original Cartier champagne. So now let's go check out the guest area. You can divide it up. There's a door over there, and there's also a sliding door over here. So when we do have guests, they can have their separate area. There's a bathroom here and 2 bedrooms, and then we have our area over here, and nobody will be disturbed. And then we get to the area. This one is the second bathroom. Over here you also have a rainforest shower. You have like everything you need. And then we get to the guest rooms. So this is one of the guest rooms over here. You can actually, like, I'm in the second guest room right now, and you have a closet over here, and on the other side it's pretty much the same mirrored, but you can close these doors up. So you actually have 2 separate guest rooms, and then, as we said, the guest bathroom is right across the hall. So this is a separated area, and then the guests will have that space for them and don't have to worry about sharing. Now we get back to the entrance area where we started our tour. So the last thing I want to show you is just the third half bathroom. So you have everything you need here, just not a shower. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll be doing all my videos here for the next 10 months, and I'm really excited to tell you more about all the progress I've been making. Besides like improving my living standard, I'm really excited that I get to spend the time here. So I'm looking forward to suggestions from you. What do you want to see next? And then I'll talk to you the latest on Sunday. Bye.